This is Kohistan, a remote and backward district of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. The total population of this highly conservative district is about 0.45 million, and majority is living below poverty line in slums and difficult hilly areas without civic amenities. The livelihood of more than 80% population is based on the agriculture and mining. According to official record, more than 200 people had lost their lives. Vast agriculture land, standing crops, houses, shops, bridges, water mills, roads and other infrastructure was swept away when the flash floods caused by the heavy rains triggered the district in mid-2010 and 2011. Saiban Development Organization, well known for its humanitarian services in Pakistan since 1999, came to rescue flood-stricken people of Kohistan and launch a mega relief operation there. Having a vast experience and background of relief and recovery work, Saiban, with the financial assistance of United Nations Development Programme, started restoring livelihood and community-based infrastructure and governance project in the district. Being a permanent member of HAP, Saiban ensured quality and accountability in all of its relief and recovery interventions. The project was designed to improve socio-economic condition of the poor and vulnerable community in flood-hit areas of this backward district. For the effective delivery of good governance and services, all the stakeholders were involved through participation in decision-making and implementation. Saiban distributed seeds, fertilizers and toolkits for kitchen gardening among 600 highly vulnerable families headed by a woman. 12 water mills, which were washed away in the flood, are reconstructed to restore the livelihood and provide grains crushing facility to people. The small hydropower plants being operated by the community are the main source of electricity in Kohistan, and Saiban puts its effort to restore electricity in the affected areas and repair 10 small hydropower plants. Beside this, 10 irrigation channels and 20 pony tracks were also reconstructed in the district, irrigating 550-acre land and reducing 3.5 kilometer distance to merely 0.6 kilometer. In order to connect maroon population in dangerous hilly areas, 6 pedestrian bridges are also built in the early days of disaster. The tracing of 300 most affected houses also rehabilitated more than 500 acres of agricultural land through involvement of local community and paid them cash for work. The waterborne diseases had been looming over Kohistan following the tragedy, as almost all the water and sanitation channels were washed away, but Saiban came hard against it and took effective measures to curb the possible outbreak. Through a proper mechanism, the most vulnerable segments of the society, including women and children, were identified by village development organizations to bring them in decision-making process. Saiban also believes in constant efforts for prosperous Kohistan, where the rights of every segment of the society, particularly of women and children, are secured and health and education are provided at their doorsteps.